Okay, what is good, guys? I did not trade last night. I had a huge migraine, so this is the reason for me making this sort of micro review. This is sort of me live trading, so just pay attention. On my Discord last night, I just had a little chat before I went to bed. Said pretty loose bias as of right now. Still leaning on the more bearish side of things, waiting for this 2-hour close to see if we want to respect or disrespect the gap. And with the bearish gap is the same thing. I'm waiting to see if we push through it, confirming bullish or disrespect it. Ideally tonight, for any types of trades, for it to be clear shorts, I would want us to inverse this 2-hour, then pull back up into London, respect the gaps, and then see lower. For longs, I would want us to inverse the bearish gaps for us then to see a total soup and then a move higher. Most likely not to trade. I said that, but right, it doesn't really matter. All right, back into the charts. So I'm bearish. I'm mostly bearish, right? So we're respecting this daily gap. We had some liquidity down here that I would think that was pretty significant. We're still holding this 4-hour gap here, right? Let me go down to the lower time frames. Yeah, so we're holding this that 4-hour gap. We hadn't taken out any really significant liquidity. We've taken out this from last night, but we hadn't really swept any liquidity, so that's just like something I had in mind. So what I was really waiting for, I really wanted this 2-hour gap that's right here, right there, to be disrespected and inverse below, then to see us. So I wanted to see us do something like this, disrespect that, properly get below it on the 2-hour, close below it, then to see some sort of move out of that for a clean bearish move, right? So that's what I was looking for. So for longs, I would have liked for us to hold this, then for us to see some sort of or see an inversion out of that, then to see a total soup, then a push higher up to these highs, right? But I was still leaning more bearish, but I was still never getting married to my bias, waiting for price to tell me what it actually wants to do. So I actually haven't seen what price actually end up doing. So what do we actually end up doing here? Let's skip right through to market open. Just bear with it, guys. It's just got to take a little bit of time. I don't want to skip past it and ruin the whole video. Okay, so on the 2-hour, what do we end up doing? We actually end up holding this gap. So I would have been like, okay, we had also taken out buy side liquidity as well. We had taken out all these lows here. We have a lot of low resistance below us, but at the same time, we have disrespected all these gaps along here, which is a good sign, definitely a good sign of bearish. It would also been good to get this 1-hour CISD in place as well, but we definitely looked a lot more bearish on the day. But let's see what we do along this 2-hour gap here. Let's see what we do. All right. All right. So look at these wicks. Just looking at these wicks, it's just inefficient. It's just like these big dick wicks. Like no one likes dick wicks. Okay, so we've tapped up into this gap. Let's see what we do. As you can already see, I can already tell this is going to be shit price action, because you can, looking here on the 3-minute, we're already it's 2 a.m. We haven't created a single fair value gap, and it's on the 3-minute. Same thing as the 2-minute, not a single fair value gap on the 2-minute. You can just tell it's just absolute shit price action. On the 1-minute, you would have been waiting for the CISD anyways, but I rarely ever enter on the 1-minute. Looking on the 5-minute as well, just very inefficient price action. Just like, or not inefficient price action, just unclear price action, right? Still on that, I would have still been waiting for this gap to at least get inversed, the bare minimum sort of thing. So as you can see, we're about to inverse this now. I don't know it's hard to say. It's not like the exact same as live trading. I can't see how long till the candle closes and everything, but let's just keep this going. So we've absolutely just dicked out of that. Let's see what we're doing. Yeah, we're showing some pretty strong rejection out of this, like in all honesty. But like maybe if you were to see a close below this here, like a clean close, what are we doing on the 3-minute? Like honestly, look at that price action. Like nothing is lining up. It's not really that clear to me. Like, honestly, I wouldn't even really be taking that. Nothing is looking that good. Let's just see how this plays out. As you can see, it's literally it's 2:18. We still haven't even got to the CIC to the downside. So this price action is just clearly dog shit. god, it's pretty shit. Let's just keep watching. Finally got a close below it, but we've taken what it should have. If it was truly bearish and it was a clean trade, we would have gotten below it, as well as all them confluences before them being respected, disrespected, like I was saying, what I wanted to say. So literally wouldn't have even been trading even if this was clear. I wanted to wait for more confirmation. As we can see, this price action is literally just dog shit. So it would have been no trades for me this morning. It is now 3 AM and we've just gone in a barcode. So really happy I actually sort of missed out on this trade. I could sort of see that where we were. It's just sort of like the way we are, like the way how we hadn't like really moved since the last market open. Like we're still in the same area. It was just sort of showing me that we could have been like price action sort of inefficient at the moment. So that sort of just showed me that a little bit. But from last market open, we really had gotten nowhere. We did have some decent sell side liquidity below us at the time, like for shorts. But price action was obviously just dog shit, and no trading for me that day. So happy I sat on that, but that is my thoughts.